Hello friends, my name is Habib. Today we're going to learn how to make bubble effect using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So first, open up VS Code, File, Open Folder, Documents, New Folder. Bubble, select folder, no index.html, index.css and index.js. So in the index.html write HTML5, link, rel equal to style sheet, href equals to index.css, script source equals to index.js, now the first thing I'll start with is the JavaScript. For the JavaScript, I'll create a div, call it C, then I'll write hashtag C equals to document dot get element by ID C, document dot on mouse move equals to E, D equals to document dot create element div d dot class name is equal to cool div, and finally equal to 9. Set timeout. Oh no, not finally. See? C dot. Oh no, and I'm C dot append child D and remove this. Now I'm going to write C dot to remove child no, oops, C dot to remove child D, comma 2000, and the index.html or dot cool div width equals to 400 px, height equals to 400 px also, background color equals to crimson, copy pass, paste. Yikes, I'm also going to set this position to absolute, and now I set its top to 100%, and now the equals d dot style, d dot style dot what, d dot style dot, oh yeah, left is equal to e dot client x px. Now it is working, but now I'm going to add animation 5 seconds, infinite, right, add keyframes 0% is equal to translate 0 0, and I'll copy this 2 more times. This to 50 and 100% subsequently. No, not. And I'll change this to 0. Minus 60 px. I'll change it to 300. So there we go. You have this cool bubble effect. Oh yeah, and let me remove this infinite and set the border radius to 100%. There we go. But this animation is too slow. Let me set it to 2.5 seconds. 2 seconds. Yeah, okay. Let me also set body overflow overflow hidden, so that we want to be able to scroll and run everything. There we go. Let me add some text. H1 hello world. Let me set the background color to black. Wait, let me set it to gray, dark gray. This doesn't really fit. Oh yeah, let me also increase the amount that it goes up. Fix. Now let me set this color to white. I'm also going to write H1. Text align center. Color is white. Oh yeah, and increase the font size. Font size 50 rem. That's too big. Maybe 15 rem. 10 rem. Let me move the margin. Set the margin to 0. Then I'll go to Google Fonts. Browse fonts. Roboto. I'll go to get font, get embed code, at import, copy the at import, paste it, and now write font family, Roboto, and then finally make div with an ID of C, and now it's get slash div hashtag C display grid place items center. Oh yeah, height 100 SVH. Anyways, that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel, ObaCode. Bye.